Those are big, nice. This is gonna be the hardest video you've ever seen. Oh my god.
Hey, this little house phone was good, nigga. Give me back.
Still on the beat.
44 p.m. Yeah.
I'm tired already, dude. This is already a rough start. Connor has forgot to turn the mic on for 2 minutes. Waiting on the other kids to get here. We're gonna do a shoot today. It's gonna be sick. I need to set up everything and get that ready while they're on their way here. Get that good audio this time. No more blowout, hopefully. If this clip is in the video, it means we fixed it. That was awful. Just in that. Ooh. Ooh. That's nice. Big nice.
Jump right out into the car.
This is gonna be sick.
Boyfriend.
There's another one.
How's it going? You made it.
What's up, dude? How's it going? Alex. Nice to meet you. Damn. Alex.
Oh, you're so waiting for real, dude.
Ooh. I've not yet put, I got this cage. Not yet used it with the Ronin yet. So hopefully it doesn't cause any issues with weight. But we'll see. I'm assuming I have to rebalance the whole thing compared to what I usually do. I drove out to Adams to film a drift event. 2 minutes into getting there, locked it in the trunk with all my camera equipment. My dad had to come out with the other key from 2 hours away.
Shut up.
And open it, and the event was over and I just went home. It's like, fuck, dude.
Are you kidding?
It was bad. What's sick, dude?
A little bit.
Right? It's connected?
You like see your suspension through the engine bay?
Hell yeah. I don't know how to fix that. Big sick. Big sick on a beat.
I don't know how to.
You guys are both static, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm bad too. Oh, this is not even bad. You drove on this one? Or the other one? This one. Okay, I was gonna say.
I think I'm just gonna road mix mics that I can plug into these receivers. So be a quick upgrade I can do, and later down the line buy better receivers so like they don't cut out randomly when you go in a car or something. That'll be nice. Ew. Oh whoa. Oh whoa.
You guys have an Allen key? Nope.
Ooh. How did that get so loose, bro? Literally never had this issue before. Of course. Oh, I got it. We're good.
Hell yeah.
We're good, yo. Who's got tiny little fingies? Still balancing. Probably should have done this at home. Didn't think the cage would add that much of a difference, but it's a lot of extra metal. So, rollers, which is going to be the most like difficult to keep all of us organized. I'm going to be going like the speed limit. Try your very, very hardest to like stay together. If something happens, we'll
Top of each other?
hit some jumps, dude. So like if one of us gets like way back there, I'll signal and we'll get off on the next exit, meet up, and then go back out. I'm gonna get some shots hanging out the back of that, of you guys like try to take up like 4 lanes or like 2 and 2.
On the freeway?
Yeah.
Damn, you're crazy.
Yeah.
No fucking way.
Yeah.
Falls out somewhere.
Yeah. Oh, breakers in the car. It's like if my palm is facing you guys, slow down. If it's facing me, speed up, and then try to be nice. Don't be a camera hog, Jared. I don't know. On the highway, like all 5 lanes, just. But yeah, just fuck around, and
Yeah, don't hit me.
you'll see me if I'm trying to get you to like stay in a spot. That's about it. Try not to get pulled over. But I'll just have you guys like over in the gas station parked, like not necessarily getting gas because Arcos sucks. It'll be pretty self-explanatory once we get started. We're just waiting for the sun.
To go down.
Yeah, that's it.
Nice. Good.
Break.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, we're making a mess already. Trying to get some B-roll before the actual intro of Raul walking out, which is that first one right there. Yeah, and after this we're gonna get some rollers. Hopefully the attendants don't realize none of us are getting gas or buying anything. Might get a shot of each taillight turning on to kind of resemble as if the cars were starting, put them all together. So it looks like I captured all of them at the same time, even though it's all separate and the cars aren't even turning on. All right, perfect. So when Raul walks out, you guys be standing over here, like kind of talking to each other. And then when you see me kind of pan over here, kind of like say what's up to Raul, and then give like a thumbs up or something saying like ready to go, and then hop in your cars, and then we'll cut, and then I'll get a separate clip of everybody leaving. Raul's in there right now buying something, so when he walks out, you can get a shot coming out to the cars, everybody turning on, getting in, get everything set. It's gonna be sick. Very excited about this. It's crazy, dude. I'm sweaty. I'm more sweaty than usual. It's a little warm. Ooh. I will. Fan the man like you're a fan on TikTok, dog. Right here. You know what I'm saying? We're hopping in the BMW right now. Tried to rent a minivan for this shoot, but some people are a little last minute on it, so the price was way too high for what I was doing. So we're hopping in this like my other videos, try to make it work on the highway with the Ronin, even though the wind at 70 miles an hour with the Ronin, not good combination. But I'm gonna make it work. It's gonna be, still get some sick shit. Make with what you got.
Little meltdown.
Fuck. I'm tired already, dude. We haven't even left the first location. So rollers on the 5 on the highway, which I've never done. Should be the funnest time. But we're going through a section that I've literally always wanted to do rollers on, and especially with all white cars. It's gonna be gas, dude. Yeah, we're gonna go through like Irvine, Costa Mesa area on the 5, and then end it at the train station. Hopefully, A, I don't die. B, none of my batteries die during the rollers. C, car doesn't fill up, which I've checked all these things, should be good. You never know. got done with the rollers. They look sick. I feel really weird talking. Look at these. Those are big, nice. This is gonna be the hardest video you've ever seen. Oh my god. I need to get my shit situated. I'm missing something on here. The issue with this spot is that's a bus lane, and when the buses come through, they get big pissed. So you guys need to be ready to like move your car if they pull up. This is a bus lane right here, which is where I want to put them. But I've shot here before, and when the bus comes through, they're not stoked. So maybe, honestly, right here would be sick. Last time a cop came over here too, but he was super chill about it. I don't know. I don't have my car here. I don't give a fuck, dude. God damn it. Ooh, step bro. What are you doing in here, step bro? How'd you get in my room, step bro? I don't know. I'm trying to think real quick. I want to put you guys over there. Okay. But I'm just trying to think of. I think I'll have you guys circle that little median thing and then come back in. I'm trying to think how I want to park you guys over there. Let's just do the roll-in shot, and then I'll just direct you one by one where to park, and I'll figure it out. So sweaty, dude. Me? Oh! Cop came, per usual, told us to move from that spot, but we were wrapping up anyways, so we're just gonna do a little zigzag thing, have everybody dip out. Hold on.
It looks way better on there than like in person. It's ridiculous.
Everybody pulled out for the last clip, and Jesus Christ, I could be a mop right now. Everybody pulled out for the last clip, and as things happen, as they always do, one car passed me and I ran out of memory card space, and we agreed that everyone was going to leave from there. But I already have another clip of everybody going that direction, so I'll have to use that. But other than that, I think the video is going to be pretty fucking sick, mate. Back.
Bro, I don't know. I don't know if they're ready.
Bro, I'm not even gonna put this vlog out because I'm gonna look so sweaty.
Just shows what TJ's missing, dude.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
Sweat and free work.
Oh, that's a good spark, bro.
It's a roller? Like that's
me, bro.
That's a photo? I'm so mad that that was not in focus.
Yeah, I was fucking scraping that shit.
Could be Hanja.
Yeah, these are just some photos I took.
Ooh, damn. Oh, that was a damn. Yeah. That was gonna be heat.
Hello?
That's fire as fuck. Oh my god.
I'm not putting that in.
Why are you gonna be such a dick?
Now I'm putting it in.